I am not the influencer who's about to tell you that you need a perfect body to feel beautiful in athletic wear. That's not what this is. I'm 56 years old. I'm a mom. And when I'm not working or filming, I live in comfortable clothes. Yoga pants, leggings, anything that lets me move and feel good in my body. So when IUGA reached out to me and offered to send me a few pieces to try, I said yes. Not because I needed more clothes, but because this category is genuinely a part of my everyday life. I do have a discount code for you, and I will leave it in the description below. But first, let's open the box together. I got home on the later side last night, and I was excited to see a package from a company called IUGA. I have not tried their athletic wear before, but when I am not at work, I live in my athletic wear, yoga pants, and anything comfortable. And I thought that I would open the package with you. So let's go ahead and see what we have got. I actually forget what I ordered. The packaging is really cute. I love that it has the little zip on it and you don't have to tear the material to try to get into the plastic bag. So it's pretty clear on it what it is. This one is forest green something. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these open. I'm kind of particular about my leggings because I live in them so much. Before I go any further, holy moly, these little babies are soft. Love it. And this is the Butter Lab pair, and they are buttery. I'll get to showing them to you in a second. But I love this little insert because it makes their product lines really crystal clear. So they have a Butter Lab line, they have a Flex Tight, they have a Silky Feel, and a Power Tight. One more on the back, and that is Heat Lab. I love that the company thinks about those things. So let's go ahead and look at these. Now, they look a little different in person for color than they do in the camera. They are a beautiful plum tone, which I'm really excited about. So they have this little scrunchy part. We'll see how that goes. I'm not sure how that will fit. I am a mom. I'm 56 years old, and despite that, I do love to be comfortable. It's super important to me. All right, so we've got this cute little emblem here, which I think is adorable. A little circle with a little bird. And I love a wide top band. I also think this shape is really complimentary. Not that I need to encourage my butt, but I'm excited to try these on. I am typically a size 8, and I usually wear a medium, so that's what I ordered. We'll see if their medium fits the same. And my biggest thing I want to check on is length, because length is something that I have a challenging time with when it comes to leggings. But by what I can see, it looks like they're going to be long enough, so I am excited about that. All right, let's get the other ones open. It's kind of like Christmas. Okay, my second item is a little tennis skirt, which I'm really excited about. I hope that it fits the way that I think it does. You know, I am a mom, so, you know, comfort is important, but the way that it makes you feel, obviously, if you're a 50-plus-year-old woman and or a mom, you know exactly what I mean without having to explain. So I'm excited to try that on. One of the things that I wanted to point out about this one, first of all, I love their mission statement. This says, IUGA is an activewear brand set up by a group of young and passionate active living advocates with a clear mission in mind, inspire you to go active. I absolutely love that. The other thing that I noticed about this one is it has UV block. I actually did not realize that when I was ordering it, so that's a big bonus. Excellent protection from the harmful effects of the sun's UV radiation. Super cool. So tan, it has shorts underneath, so it's not just a skirt, which I love as well. Again, it has the nice wide band at the top.
and it's got these cute little black zipper pockets. I also love that they give a little detail, so it's not perfectly flat skirt. Now I'm not super tall, I'm like 5'6½", so anything that accents the length of the leg I love. So let's go ahead and get the other one open, and ooh, I'm excited about these. These are what they call forest green. They are also in a medium. Again, love that shape along the back. I think that's super flattering. I'm glad that I ordered a pair without the scrunching because I'll be interested to see how the difference is in the fit. I also love the stitching along the sides. These have pockets. Let's see, the plum colored ones had these side pockets as well, which I like. Again, super soft. I love the feeling of these. Now, these feel a little bit thicker. These feel a little thinner. I'm excited to try on the difference. Simple stitching, side pockets. Again, nice, wide, tall front band, similar in the back, which I love. So let's open up the fourth package. Okay, I'm so excited about these. I have a pair of leggings that look like jeans, and they're comfortable, and I've always wanted a pair of shorts that look like jeans, but they are athletic wear or like a legging material. These truly look like jeans. They almost have a tiny texture like a jean, but they're still super stretchy, and they've got, again, that scooped band in the front, real pockets, which is really cool. The look of jeans. I like the little bit of stitching that gives it a little more authentic jean feel. What I love about them is a lot of times when you get jean shorts, if they look like jeans, but they're leggings, you get some little elastic stitching in the back that makes them look a little less like a jean. But these are not. They've got a really traditional feel in the back, which I'm really excited about. 2 pockets. I've had some leggings in the past that had faux looking pockets. I'm excited that they don't. And let's go ahead and see how everything fits. I hope that they fit really well. I'm going to go grab one of my sports bras so I can try everything on with it. Okay, first up are the Plum pair. Seriously, the first thing I want to mention is I love the length. Now listen, I'm a mom, so I'm not going to look the same as a teenager does, but the texture is super soft. I love that. There's a little band here for a mom. That is important to me, kind of helps keep the tummy in a little bit. My favorite part is the length. I have a hard time finding them long. I'm not that tall, and I don't have super long legs, but I find that they're hard to find. Now, I also love the side pockets. I like the way they look. I like the way they feel. They've got a nice little ribbing that you can see here, and the pocket isn't square. It has a little scoop, comes up. So I love that. Very happy with this first pair. Now these are the ones that feel just a little bit thinner, and I'm excited about that because in the wintertime it's just cold in Maine, and I'm excited to try on the ones that are a little bit thicker, but these will be great for spring and early fall. All right, let's go ahead and try on the next one. Oh, before I try that on, I did want to show, you don't see any of the scrunching from these. I was a little concerned about that, but they fit really good. They probably accent the butt cheeks a little bit more. I'm kind of glad that I didn't know about that ahead of time because I probably would not have tried them, but I'm really glad that I did. Okay, next up is the tennis skirt. I'm so excited because skirts can be funny. Like I said, I don't have super long legs. I don't have really short legs, but I don't have super long legs, and skirts can just fit funny, especially when they have a little bit of a flare out. But let me tell you, this part, the little scoop up, makes it really flattering. I love the detail of the black zipper, and they're real, which again, they're no fake pockets. Fits at a great height around the waist, besides the fact that it's a little wrinkly from being in the package. I actually waited to take the tag off because I was afraid that it was not going to be a fit that I love, but I'm a pretty solid size medium and it is tracking really perfectly for the normal sizes that I would wear. So the skirt is a win and a keep. Okay, next up is the forest green. And these are definitely more fitting. So if you like a snug, tuck you in a little bit sort of feel, these are amazing in that regard. I was kind of excited that my sports bra matched so well too. But anyway, so yeah, tucks you in a little bit more, gives a little bit more support throughout everywhere, which is always nice as a mom. And overall, loving them. I could see myself wearing these in the winter time, no problem. And yeah, overall, just a really good fit. When I read the tag that it was created by young kids, not all moms can wear clothing that young kids design because we're different. We have different bodies when we get older. And so I love that a 56-year-old woman can feel just as comfortable in it as a teenager or a 20-something. Anyway, let's move on to the last pair of shorts. Okay, last but not least, the jean shorts. I left the tag on them because I was afraid they were not going to fit, but they actually fit so good. I'm going to wear these all summer long. They fit very similarly to the leggings in that they are fitting, but not too much. They truly look like jeans. I'm so excited about that part. And a lot of kids like to wear the super short length through the inseam. I don't like that. And they fall at the perfect length for me personally. Everybody is different, right? And you want to feel good in what you're wearing. Now, I don't wear comfort clothes just to be comfortable. I want to look good too. Like what woman, what mom, what 56-year-old doesn't want to feel good and look good? So these are a win. And the only regret is that I didn't order a sports bra. That will definitely be on my next order.
Okay, let me zoom out for a minute. I know this was about leggings, skirts, and shorts, but what really matters to me is this. You do not need to be a certain size to allow yourself comfort. Somewhere along the way, we were taught that we have to earn clothes that we feel good in after we lose weight, or that fitted styles are only for younger bodies. But I don't believe that. Movement is easier when you feel comfortable. Confidence grows when you stop hiding, and strength doesn't require shrinking. If you'd like to check out IUGA, I'll leave my discount code and link below. It saves you a little and it supports the channel as well. But more importantly, wear the clothes that you feel best in. Move your body and live your life now. And as always, be good to yourself, be good to others, and keep loving life over 50.